Hi there, geeking to everyone. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a jumping game on Scratch. Are you ready? I hope so. So let's start. So I'm gonna create my jumping game on online Scratch editor. For that, I have to open web browser, Google Chrome. Then I have to type Scratch on the search, press enter, and you see first link, this link, Scratch Imagine Program Share. I have to click here. Here we go. We are on the Scratch page. Let's click here, create, and we create a new project. So what we have here? Here we have a sprite already, the default character. Let's delete this sprite. You have to click on this bean sign like that. Okay, and we deleted this character. If you want to create a character, you have to click on this button. Okay, choose a sprite, and I'm gonna choose a dinosaur. Okay, this one, dinosaur. Here we go. Okay, and I want to make this dinosaur smaller. Next, what I want to do is choosing background. So I have to click on this button, okay, and choose a background. I'm gonna choose slopes, this one. Okay, here we go. So what I wanna do next, I want to make my character dinosaur jumping. I have to click here on the motion circle, yeah, and drag out a special block named change y by 10. If you click on this coding block, you see that you change the position of your character upward. So, and then if we click on the control circle, orange one, and we take this block of code, repeat, we can make our character jump higher. Cool. So what we want to do next, we want to make our character go down. How we can do that? Let's go to the motion circle, let's click on it, then take a change y by 10 and change from 10 to -10. By this way, we make our character go down to 10 steps. So if we click to control blocks and take repeat 10, so click on these blocks, you see, we make our character go down. Okay, connect all these blocks together. You see, click on these blocks, our character can jump. My congratulations. So what I want to do is using this block in the event circle, yellow one. So when you press on the space, you make your character jump. Let's try it. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, move your character here. Okay, let's try to jump. That's cool. What I want to do else, I want to use a sound block on the purple circle, and I want to use this block, start sound. Okay, and when we press on space, our character starts sound. That's really cool, right? So what we want to do next, let's create an obstacle. Okay, let's click on this button, choose a sprite. Okay, I want to choose obstacle. It's gonna be muffin. A little bit strange, but anyway, you know, I want to make my obstacle smaller. So it's gonna be like 30. So I change the value here. Oh no, I think it's too small. So 40. Yeah, 40 is okay. I move my obstacle here on the right down corner. So now active sprite is my obstacle. That means I can provide coding blocks for it. I want to slide in this obstacle from this position to this position. So I want to slide from the right to the left. How I can do that? So I go to motion circle, to the motions block. So, and I drag out this coding block. You see here on this coding block, there is a X and Y position. So each position here on the stage has certain X and Y value. So now here, my obstacle, this muffin has a certain position. This position is x value 230, y value negative 141. So then if I want to make my obstacle gliding, I have to show where the endpoint. The endpoint is gonna be here, and then I have to grab this block. Okay, this block glide already had a position of the muffin, current position. A current position of the muffin is here now. So if I click on this block of code, my muffin glided from this position, which represented by this block, to this position, which represented by another block. Okay, what I want to do is click to control circle on the orange one, and I want to use this block of code forever. Okay, and if I click it, yeah, my muffin is gonna glide in forever. But my muffin glides so fast, I want to change the time to 3. Okay, better. What I want to do as well, I go to circle events, yellow one, I take this block. So when I click the flag, this one, I make my muffin gliding. Okay, that's cool. So what I want to do next, so I want that if my muffin contacted with dinosaur, the game stop. How I can do that? Firstly, I will take this block, stop all. Then I take this block, wait until. Okay. And I use a block without touching dinosaur. Yeah, and also I'm gonna use this block. Yeah. Now you see when the muffin contacts with the dinosaur, the game stops. That's cool. So what I want to do next, you see if I jump here and then repeat my game again, the dinosaur stands on the air. It looks like that. So what I can do with that? I want to fix it. I just click on dinosaur here to make character active. Okay, and then I go to the motion block. Okay, then I put my dinosaur the initial position. Okay, then I use go to X and Y position, this block, which represented current location of my dinosaur, my active sprite. And then I use on the events circle. Okay, and when we click green flag, our dinosaur moved to this position. Okay, let's see. Okay, one more time. Maybe I need to make muffin smaller. Smaller. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. So what I want to do else, I want to make a score. For that, I have to click here, make a variable, and variable name gonna be score. Okay. And I use this block set my variable, but I change my variable to score. And if I jump, the score changed by 1. Okay, let's do that. But when the game stopped, okay, and I restarted, the score restarted as well. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. So thank you. Ciao, ciao.